Hi everyone, how is it going? In this video I want to show you real quick my personal favorite dropshipping plugin. So since I lately get a few questions about dropshipping and what kind of dropshipping plugin I use, I want to show you real quick. So yeah, I run I run a few dropshipping stores, and I always use the same dropshipping plugin because yeah, I think this plugin is one of the best plugins. So I use a paid plugin, a paid WooCommerce plugin. But yeah, of course, there are a few free plugins out there. But then if you are using a free plugin, then they are limited in some ways and some forms. And I think it's the best if you are buy a premium plugin, especially for dropshipping. So yeah, the plugin gives you so much more features and options and something like this. So let me show you real quick. So I made a blog post about the plugin. I will link the blog, the blog post in the video description down below, so you can read it, read everything about the plugin. And let me show you real quick. This is my newest dropshipping store, and here I am selling dash cams. So let me show you the back end. So here we are in the back end, and this is the plugin back end. So here you can see reports, import, and settings. So yeah, here we can general settings. We have pricing settings where we can specify the pricing rules, so we can directly import all the plugins, the products from AliExpress to our dropshipping store, and yeah, the pricing rules will be handled by the plugin itself. So you don't have to manually add the prices you want. So the plugin do everything yourself. So you just go to AliExpress, click on import the product, and then the product gets sent to your store, and then automatically the prices are updated. Here you can see, for example, if the price of the AliExpress product is from $2 to $4.99, the plugin automatically will convert the price to $13.95, and yeah, so on and so on. Here you can see from every product on AliExpress from $5 to $29.99 is the cost times 2.5. Yeah, and this is the pricing rule, so it's really great. So there's also an included currency switcher. You get lifetime updates. You can manage the attributes, the appearance of the product, and here you can add the tracking informations or the tracking rules, how the plugin should send emails out to the customer is really great. And you have tons of add-ons you can install for free, and then of course the license key, because you have to buy this plugin, but this is really great. Let me show you real quick how this works. So for example, here we are now on Ali Dropship. Oh, okay, and when you buy it, you of course have to download a Chrome a Google Chrome extension. You have to install the extension in your Chrome browser and then connect your dropshipping store to this Chrome extension. So this means that the Chrome extension have fully access to your dropshipping store and also to AliExpress. So yeah, that we can import products. So for example, here we are on AliExpress, and I searched for dash cams because yeah, we want to or I want to sell dash cams. And then yeah, we have a ton of different dash cams, and let's for example click on this dash cam. For example, you can see it takes a little bit. You can see it's on the price is $13.76, and then all we have to do is click here on the edit button, and then you can see a different window opens, and here you can specify or change the title of the product. Of course, this is always the native description from AliExpress is always a little bit long and not optimized. So let's change this real quick. For example, let's make it car dash cam 4-inch IPS screen 180p. Night vision. Just to show you, I don't. Just real quick. Okay, this is okay. So then let's copy it. And here you have the permalink. You can specify the permalink. So we marked it and then we paste it in here, and then we have a good looking permalink. And here you can see so the plugin reads in real time all the product categories you have on your live store. You can see these are my product categories, so I will choose dashcam for cars, for example. And here you have the description, the product description. You can edit it, you can write new text, but I don't do this because I only want to demonstrate how this works. So you can delete images, you can, and you can also edit the images. For example, let me show you. Here you can see, for example, here we have a Russian description. We click on it, on the image, and then we have the little pencil icon. We click on the pencil icon, and now we have an image editor installed in the plugin itself. So this is really handy. So we can resize the image, add effects, select blur, erase, and brush. So for example, if you have a logo here or a text that you don't want to have here, then you can simply delete the text or erase the text. Same here. Let's delete the Russian text. Okay, perfect. There's another Russian text. Okay, and then we click on save, and then the image get updated. So this takes a few seconds, but now the image will get processed and updated. Yeah, this takes a while because the image is getting rendered now online, and this takes a few moments. But this plugin is so great. You don't have these extensive options in any free plugin or in any other plugin I know of. So this is I run a few dropshipping stores, and I always use this. Because, and the great thing is, this is not a subscription. You buy this plugin once and then you have it for a lifetime, and you get lifetime updates for this plugin. Okay, it takes a little bit longer, so let me show you real quick the plugin page. So this is the page of the plugin. Here you can see it's WooCommerce dropshipping plugin for AliExpress. So you can buy it for $89, but I will put a link in the video description first to the blog post, and then I put a link to a coupon code and also to this page. So with this coupon code, you can save 25%. So you pay roughly $65 for this plugin, and this plugin is so great, and you get lifetime updates, and so this is, I think, the most advanced plugin. And in the long run, if you want to save money, so take a look at Shopify. They charge you for everything, and I think if you own a Shopify store, or if you are familiar with Shopify, you would be happy to pay the $89 to get this plugin for a lifetime, and then lifetime updates, and don't have to pay for a subscription or something like this. So okay, so I think we get a little error here, but let me reopen this. Of course, now when I want to show you, of course, we get an error. Let me reopen this. Click on edit here. Yeah, so let me paste it in again. Then, okay, choose the category. And yeah, again, so let's quickly delete it. You can also delete images if you want, like I said, and you can change the product description, because yeah, this product description is not optimized for SEO, but now I don't have time to optimize this. I really want to show you quickly how this works. And here you can see the gallery. So here you can see the featured image. You can change this. If you want to make this feature, then simply click here, and then now this is a featured image. And also you can delete the image if you don't want to have this image in the product gallery. And here you can see the pricing formula. It's already applied, but if you want to change it, then you can disable the pricing formula. So what you have selected here, it's get automatically applied here. And if you don't want it, you can set an own price, and here you have the attributes. So okay, color name, let's edit it with type. So you can see the customer can buy a single lens, yeah, or a dual lens. And here you can see all the specifications. You can delete it, chipset manufacturer, blah blah blah. You can delete it or edit it. So this is really great. And when you are finished with editing your product, then you can click on publish, and now the product gets sent to the store. So it doesn't matter or what category you are selling, what type of product you're selling, you get access to complete AliExpress. You can import any product you want, and for sure. And of course you can also edit it later on when you go menu, and when you go to your products. Let's see if this product has already arrived in the store. Yeah, there it is. So then, of course, it is a normal product in your store, and then you can edit it, edit the images, edit the text, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Like I said, I will link the product page and the coupon code, and also my blog post that I wrote about this plugin in the video description down below. And yeah, use my coupon code if you want to buy this plugin, and with the coupon code I think it's 25% off of the plugin. I think this is a really great deal. So yeah, so if you want to start a dropshipping store and want to use WordPress and WooCommerce, I think this plugin is a must-have. Don't play around with the free plugins, free dropshipping plugins. So this is not worth it if you want to make it a real business, or want to have a professional dropshipping store. Then I think this is what you want to have. And even if you have any questions, then they have a really good support team. So if you write them an email, they answer in a few. You get an answer in a few hours, or even in a few minutes. This company is really great. They sell really good software and plugins and themes, and check it out. And so if you have any questions, then let me know in the comments down below, of course, and check out the links I provide in the video description. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Oh, and if you like the video, then make sure to press the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. And that's it for now. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.